with me Mr. Pranay. He will join me, he will assist me to do our training today. Wish you all the best. So, today we will start our training session. My Kumite seminar, the most important, I believe everybody has already warmed up nicely, because before the training you should be properly warm up your body. So to be a good Kumite player, what you need to have in you as a good Kumite player, so in my opinion there are 9 factors which makes you a good Kumite player, a good karateka. In your execution of attack, you should have good speed, you should have good timing, you should have good distance, you should have good focus, you should have good technique, you should have good footwork, you should have also good strategy, and ultimately your desire and your passion for winning, and at the end your awareness, your knowledge about the WKF rules under which you are going to compete. You must know the rules and regulation, what is score, what is penalty. So I hope everybody understand these important 9 factors. Once again I will repeat: speed, timing, distance, focus, technique, footwork, strategy, desire of winning, passion for winning, and ultimately your knowledge about the WKF rules. So if you have all these 9 factors in you, nobody can stop you to become champion. So today we will start with the very first technique, how to make your Zuki. To get Yuko 1 point in Kumite, you have to have good Zuki. It may be Gyakusuki, it may be Kisami Zuki. Okay? So, Pranay Sharma, our national champion and international player, he is with me to assist me and to show you how to do a good punch. So most importantly, I told you this is, if everybody can see, this is a safe distance. This is a distance. Distance is very important in Kumite. If you are too close to your opponent can hit you here. But this is, you can see. But to get score, to cover the distance, you have to have very good footwork. You have to have very good muscles in your legs to move forward, go down and punch. Now you see, slow punch, this. If no hip movement, no footwork, so punch should be here. If more down, use your hip, punch here. Okay? So you can, with the safe distance also, just little move and you can punch. You can punch. Okay? So now to distance. If most of the time you are misfiring, you are not reaching to your goal, it means you are misusing your technique. You have the technique, but you are not able to use it. So you have to cover the distance, go down and see. So this is punch. Same stance, same stance, same stance. So if even my partner moves little bit, come, come, come. So same way I do. If he is ready for counter, I move little bit up.
Hey! 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 Hey!
So you see, now slow motion, if I come for punch, before me, his punch come first. So we have to work out how to make your legs powerful. Okay, so simple technique, just now you see in front of the camera, you see both of us, just one down, up. Focus not on your punch, focus on your thigh muscles, focus on your legs, make them strong. Now you see, one, focus on your legs, two, up, one, two, one, two. Focus on the thigh muscles here. Okay, hip movement. Slow. H, knee, H, knee, H, knee, H, knee, H, knee, H, knee. Let's change.
Sure!
H, knee, H, knee, H, knee, H, knee, H, knee, H, knee. Yummy. So I hope you all understand. Only these legs are our wheels. If we are a Mercedes car or BMW car, we need to have a very good wheel. Only wheel makes the car run. Okay, engine also important, steering also important, but without wheel, no car can run. So, our legs, most important. So most of the people, they are working only on punch. But to execute the technique, who will take you to your opponent? Who will defend you from your opponent? Your legs. So this is a very, very important part of your body. So always focus on punch and back, punch, back. So second technique, punch and back. Punch and back. In this case also, focus here. Focus on your thigh muscles, calf muscles, on your footwork, not on the punch. Okay? This is just a training. Okay? Now see. Slow. 1, 2, back. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now fast. 8.
Way!
Hey!
Way! 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 Wow!
So the important, after attack, defend yourself. Okay? Come on. Attack. Come on. Okay? Always focus on your opponent. Always keep your body guarded. Okay, your junction, your awareness should always be open. Okay. So 5 times, 10 times, whatever you like. Okay, you do. So again, 5 times we will do. First, we did only punch. Now punch and back. So your both legs should move. 1 and 2. Yes, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's change.
Shot.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yummy. So this is very important training part to focus on your thigh muscles. Okay, every sport you need to have good stance, good footwork. Okay, you can't play cricket in some other stance. You have to be stand like this. In golf you have to stand like this. Okay, in fencing you have to stand like this. So every sport has importance of the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's change.
Shot.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yummy. In 3 minutes bout of senior or 2 minutes bout of junior, okay, we have to move like this. And I challenge you, nobody can do continuously 2 minutes in the same stance, okay, but you can. I know you can, everybody can, okay, but we need to have good training. So for 3 minutes bout, you start with only 1 minute. If you do only 1 minute, this front, back, okay, then you will see within 1 minute how your thigh muscles, your calf muscles, and your pelvic muscles, okay, start working. And this will definitely help you to get score. आप जो लोग हिंदी में समझ रहे हो, नहीं, जिनको नहीं समझ में आया इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि स्टांस का बहुत ज़्यादा महत्व है, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है ट्रेनिंग में, और जो हमारा फुटवर्क है उसके अंदर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम उसमें ट्रेनिंग करें और अपने पैरों को, जो हमारे पहिए हैं, जो हमें अपनी अटैक को, बुलेट कितनी भी अच्छी हो, जब तक आपके पास पिस्टल नहीं होगी तो उस बुलेट को कैसे मार सकते हैं. So we have bullets, but this pistol will give bullet a power, a fire. Okay, so opponent तक पहुंचना या opponent से बचना, ये सारा डिपेंड करता है हमारे फुटवर्क पे. To make your thighs, make your legs, make your stance strong is very important. Okay, so now let's come to the next lesson. So Yuko, we have basically 2 techniques worldwide, or maximum 3. One is Gyakusuki, other is Kisamizuki, and other is Urakinzuki. Okay, so mostly we do 3 techniques to get Yuko. Okay, so one is punch, one is Kisamizuki, and one is Urakinzuki. Okay, so how to do good Gyakusuki I already taught you. Okay, but now second is Kisamizuki. Okay, for Kisamizuki, one again same principle, you need to reach to your opponent. Without reaching your opponent, you cannot do Kisamizuki. So to reach to your opponent, you have to have good push, good power, good kick and thrust from your legs to reach to your opponent. So now you see Kisamizuki.
Hey!
Now you see a very big distance. If everybody can see, maybe I am not in the frame, but you can see he is far away, even from the opponent, even away from the safe distance. But from there also he can execute the Kisamizuki very nicely.
Hey!
So to get this speed, you have to have good thigh muscles to come. So now we will do 5 time only. Now you see the footwork, okay? How to go take the push from the rear leg, okay? So hit, knee, back, hit, knee, hit, knee, hit, knee, hit, knee, leg change, hit, knee, hit, knee, hit, knee, hit, knee, hit, knee. So most important, how to improve your this technique. So now you can make a mark. See, from this distance I go to this level. Next time try to cover more distance. Okay, cover more distance. So what is important? Important your thighs. They will take you to opponent. They will take you to score. So इस बात का बहुत ध्यान रखें कि आप कितनी स्पीड से अपने अपोनेंट की तरफ जाते हैं और स्कोर करते हैं. ये बहुत ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो इसकी ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए आपको ये देखना है, फोकस करना है कि आपका कौन सा पैर आपको पुश कर रहा है, कौन सा आगे लेके जा रहा है, कौन सा पीछे. तो जब आगे जाएंगे तो पीछे वाला पैर पुश करेगा, जब वापस आएंगे तो आगे वाला पैर आपको पीछे की तरफ पुश करेगा. सो दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. हमेशा हमें अपने तलवार की धार लगानी चाहिए, म्यान की नहीं लगानी चाहिए कि जिसके अंदर तलवार रखी जाती है. इसलिए ये वेरी इजी, पंचिंग इज वेरी इजी, बट to get score in tatami is very difficult. How to catch your opponent, because your opponent is also there to win. He is also there to attack. He is also there to defend. So to win against the same karate player or maybe good player than you need to have very good training. Okay. So now the next is the combination. Okay, and before combination one more attack that is called Urakinzuki. It's very now common. Most of the world champions are doing this, applying this technique, and this is very safe, very effective, very good. Okay, Urakinzuki. So in this Urakinzuki, if I am in this position, okay, this Urakin will come this. If I am same person here, this. If he is in the same position, I here, this. So how to in this case also just okay, just okay. So speed. I will try to catch his hand. Okay. I just keep here. He will hit here. Okay. Come close. Now practice. It. Here. It. Okay. Yeah. Try. So if you have opponent, you can take it as a game. If see we are here. If I do okay 1, 2. So you can enjoy and develop your training. Okay. So same way, I try to block 1, 2, 3 this way. Okay. If you don't have any partner, you can use as a wall. Okay. This is a wall. 1, 2, like this. Okay. Yes. But the most important, how fast you do. Okay. And your wrist should be very, very loose for this technique. Okay. This 1, 2, 3 fast. This is a very, very good technique. If you perform this technique with full speed and very, very technically, 100% you will get Yuko, clear Yuko. Okay. Now the next is the combination. Okay. Because your opponent also knows karate. In every sports, you have to do a lot of dodging. You have to do a lot of, use more and more statistics. Okay, to confuse your player. Then only you can get score. In cricket, you see one ball, full toss, one ball, Yorker, one outswing, one in swing. Then only you will get wicket. All 6 balls cannot be the same. Or the badminton, one time volley, one time shot, one time drop, like that. Here also in karate, okay, you show something. If you come for block, this is open. So I show this and this attack. If I show block, this attack. Okay, you understand? Show this, attack this. Show this, attack this. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. Okay. So now you see, he will do. Come close, little. Yes. So first, Kisamizuki, I try to block, and Gyakusuki. If you do Gyakusuki and this, so you can try. You can use your own combination. It is not fixed. Okay. Situation to situation, you have to apply your mind. Always remember. Okay. You have to utilize the situation. You have to utilize the opportunity what you have and the presence of mind. Okay. 140 स्पीड से बॉल आ रही है, उसके लास्ट सेकेंड में आपने डिसाइड करना है, उसको हुक करना है, उसको कवर ड्राइव करना है, उसको सेफली प्ले करना है, ओके, या शॉट मारना है. दिस इज जस्ट विद इन a second. Okay, so like this in kumite also you have to decide where you have the place. Okay, now one, you do one thing, any technique. One now. Okay, and the most important next technique is double gyakusuki. This is very, very effective. Okay, double gyakusuki